slabs is expected to come into 2 slabs only, and the important thing is from 28 to 18%. It's likely that the consumer goods would be in focus, where there will be likely benefit coming in. Blue Star, Voltas, Havells, Amber Enterprises, and even Dixon Tech make it to this list. Also, the cement pack would be very interesting from 28 to 18%, and that will be a very major relief. And larger names will be very beneficial for them. And this month itself, the pricing has been stable despite the monsoon season coming in. Also, in the auto segment would be buzzing as well, especially if the reduction happens, and this is happening before the festive season actually takes off, and that will be auguring really well for the consumers as well. And especially in the two-wheeler segment and the entry-level car segment, we could see a good up move coming in. And also in the three-wheeler segment, that's why I've included Atul Auto and Force Motors as well. Also, there's an important slab of almost 12%, which can go down to 5% or the nil table, and that is very important. Be it hair oil, jam, fruit juices, namkeens, medical items, bicycles, dairy and soaps as well. Now let's look at which stocks would be there in focus because of this move, and this would be beneficial for Dabur, Mrs. Bector's, ITC, Bikaji Foods, Pratap Snacks. Also, we have Cycles, Tube Investments, Marico, Bajaj Consumer, and Parag Milk actually making it to the list as well. Also, from the medical devices, we have Poly Medicure as well. So, two important benefits coming in for GST rationalization. Also, agriculture, fertilizers, renewable energy, and construction. As per sources, to ET now, these segment also we are expecting a downtick in GST coming in, and this would benefit, of course, the fertilizer players, the agri-theme players such as Kaveri Seed, Rallis India making it to the list, and also the solar players and the wind energy players as well, as more benefits would be auguring for these companies. These include NTPC Green, Inox Energy, Coromandel, and even L&T and NCC and IRB Infra as well, because there would be a move happening in the infra space as well. Textile sector as well, beneficiary of GST inverted structures, and rates are likely to come down. And of course, they have been raising a lot of issues for exports also to the government. And stocks such as Indocount, Nahar Spinning, SP Apparels, PDS, Welspun India, these stocks would be in our radar, as well as the textile segment. They expect a domestic push as well, especially on the range of the prices between 1,000 rupees on the finished goods or below the 1,000 rupees finished goods as well. And these stocks you could see on the screen, there can be a good momentum in these stocks as well. 40% GST on Sin goods is also likely there, and this would be negative for Nazara Tech, Delta Corp, ITC, VST Industries, Godfrey Phillips, Varun Beverages, and also luxury segments such as Stanley Ethos, Landmark Cars, and Popular Vehicles as well. So this might be negative in the day's trade. And overall, special GST rates are expected to continue when it comes for diamond and jewelry. The stocks such as Web of Global, Rajesh Exports, Senco Kalyan would be actually also in the trade, but not much move is expected from there. And these are the important segments which you would be looking out for. Less likely rate cuts includes pens, packaging, container boxes, and capital goods, which include Link, DOMS, JK Paper, Cummins, Thermax, and even Siemens India. So these are the important stocks which would be in focus as a whole lot of GST rationalization takes place, and this would be effective from October onwards.
All right, thank you so much, Sharad, for taking us through the entire sectoral impact of the